Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on show mature content on Reddit. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Reddit, click on your profile icon on the top right, then you should see settings at the bottom, so just tap on there. Once you're on here, you should see underneath view options, show mature content. And I'll just say I'm over 18 in brackets as well. So all you need to do is just toggle that on, and this will just let you know to update your settings to show mature content. Confirm you're over 18. After updating, you can visit your settings at any time to hide mature content. So obviously all you need to do is click on yes, I'm over 18, but it'll also turn on blur mature images and media, and you can also have the option to toggle that on or off. So that's how you can turn on show mature content on Reddit. Thanks for watching.